message is very simple. What do you see when you wake up in the morning? Who are you when you look in the mirror? What type of example do you set when you walk out the front door? What type of person do your children see when they interact with you? When your mother is having a conversation with you, does she say, "My son is a man of integrity"? When society see you walking down the street, are they proud of the person that they see? When your employer is dependent on you to accomplish a task, do you follow through? Do you show up on time? Are you well groomed? Do you respect women and children? The question is very simple. Are you a little boy? Are you just a male walking this earth? Or have you graduated to calling yourself a man? What really defines what it really means to be a man? Society has given us so many different examples. Womanizing, drug use, going to prison, having a bunch of tattoos, knowing every single rap song. Does that make you a man? What's the real definition of really being a man? Do you know? The answer is very simple. You were born a male, M-A-L-E. That was given to you. That's your biology. You didn't have to do anything. Only thing you had to do was show up, and that was given to you. You are a male. You can be an 18-year-old male. You can be a 68-year-old male. You can be an 8-year-old male. But in order to claim the title of being a man, you have to do some strategic and specific things. Do you know what those things are? Do you become a man on your 18th birthday? Do you become a man when you impregnate a woman? The answer to that question is absolutely not. You become a man when you choose to become a man. You become a man when you make a conscious decision and live a life full of integrity. You become a man when you decide to be a pillar to your society. That's when you become a man. I got some good news to tell you. It doesn't matter what you did yesterday or the day before or the year before. You have an opportunity right now today to choose to be a man. I don't care if you're 13 years old. I don't care if you're 33 years old. You have everything you need on the inside of you to say, hey, I'm going to put away childish things, and for the rest of my days, I'm going to live a life as a man of integrity. You can choose to be a man all week long, but the moment you start making poor decisions, the more you start putting your family at risk, the society at risk, your life at risk, you have devalued yourself and you are now back into the male stage. You are now just a little boy. That's the danger in this philosophy. No matter what you did yesterday or today, if you were operating as a man, the danger in everything that I'm saying is one wrong move can send you back on the journey to boyhood, malehood, if you will. But the good news is you then again have an opportunity to graduate to manhood. Every single day is graduation day. Every morning when you wake up is graduation day. Every time you go pick up your children is graduation day. Every time you show up to work on time, clean shaved, ready to be valuable to an employer, is graduation day. Every single day, you can wake up in the morning knowing that you have graduated to manhood. You were designed to be a pillar to your society. The only thing you have to do is wake up and say, today and for the rest of my days, I'm no longer going to live my life just as a male. I'm no longer just going to be a little boy. I'm no longer going to be a 45-year-old child. Today and for the rest of my days, I'm going to live my life as a man of integrity, and I'm going to choose to be a man.